Here on my 2008 Scion XB, as you can see, the headlights are pretty, I wouldn't say done for, but very hazy, foggy. They work decent at night. We got some, not the brightest bulbs, but not the dimmest ones either. As you can see, those are pretty darn cloudy. So we're just gonna do a little before and after, so that's what they look like now. And this is the kit that I'm gonna be using. I'm not gonna do a full-on tutorial on how to use this because they already have one on their website that's awesome and they give better advice than I could give. The only thing this kit didn't include that it should have is probably some masking tape along with a squirt bottle and then microfiber towels, but I have some of those laying around. So first I'm just gonna clean the headlights with some soapy water and dry them off. Next, the product is highly corrosive to paint, so let's get our paint taped off. Okay, I've got that all taped up. Got it taped up on this side as well. I'm not too worried about the paint because the hood already has some paint chipping, but just trying to do my best to keep it in decent shape. Those headlights are now dry, so now we can start with the kit. When handling this kit, wear safety glasses and gloves. So let's go ahead and do step one. They included a bunch of these wipes. Make sure to wear the gloves, and basically you just keep using them until there's no yellowish oxidation on the wipe and you go in a circular motion. Make sure to do both headlights. Then for step two, we do this 2000 grit sandpaper that just sticks onto this polishing pad that's included in the kit. Then you just take some water, and you don't go in a circular motion. They actually recommend trying to go like with the grain. So we're gonna go ahead and sand that down. While we're doing that, take a spray bottle with some water and keep all the surface of the sandpaper and the headlight wet. Okay, that's after the 2000 grit. Let's go ahead and keep wet sanding, but swap out our pad for the 3000 grit. And that's after the 3000 grit sandpaper. Now let's go ahead and let that dry. Now that the headlight's completely dry, you want to go ahead and wipe it off using step 3. Then the instructions say to let it cool. Don't go for a drive because bugs could stick to the ceramic clear coat, and then put it in somewhere shady. Unfortunately, I don't have a shady spot. Let's do the other side. Wow, that looks awesome. I hope that it holds its shine.